In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Forex.com TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to set up the two accounts you need, connect them inside TradingView, and start analyzing currency pairs with TradingView's charting tools in a smooth, reliable workflow. First, make sure you have both accounts ready, one with Forex.com and one with TradingView. If you're brand new, sign up on each platform using a secure password and complete the basic profile steps they require. On TradingView, the free plan is fine to get started. Upgrades mainly add more indicators per chart and extra alerts. With Forex.com, many traders like to begin with a demo account to practice connections and charting without risk. Keep your login details private and complete any identity checks, either platform requests, so your connection works without interruptions. Next, open a chart in TradingView. Log in on the desktop web app for the smoothest experience. In the search bar at the top, type a currency pair like EURUSD or GBPUSD and open the full-featured chart. This brings up the main workspace. Along the bottom of the chart, look for the Trading Panel tab. Click it to display the broker connection options. If you don't see the panel, switch to a larger window or hide extra panels to make room. From the Trading Panel, select Forex.com. A connection window will appear prompting you to sign in securely. Choose whether you're connecting a live or a demo account, then enter your credentials in the pop-up supplied by the broker. If you're using a browser with strict privacy or a pop-up blocker, allow the window so the sign-in can complete. After you approve the connection, TradingView will show your account status in the panel. If it doesn't connect on the first try, double-check your region and account type and ensure two-factor prompts are completed. With the connection ready, you can analyze charts using TradingView's powerful tools. Change timeframes to see short-term and longer-term structure, and switch chart types if you prefer candles, bars, or lines. Use drawing tools like trend lines, support and resistance zones, channels, and Fibonacci retracements to map key levels. Add indicators such as moving averages, RSI, or MACD to spot momentum and potential divergences. Save your layout so your indicators, colors, and drawings load automatically next time. Create alerts on price levels or indicator conditions to get notified without staring at the screen. Organize a watch list of your favorite pairs, apply templates for consistency, and jot quick notes directly on the chart to document your plan. That's the complete flow. Create both accounts, open a chart and the trading panel, connect Forex.com, and analyze with TradingView's tools. Practice on a demo first, keep your setup simple, and refine it as you learn what works best for you.